Howdy everybody, I'm up here. What I'm doing, I laid the cell phone down underneath the front of the locomotive. You can see the brass, let's see if I can do it. This is actually the axle pump here. These are the fittings that I took out last night and I showed you. And what I did on the back end of the locomotive, I rigged up a little, it's a teeny tiny little hand pump. It's not the big one that I'm going to install in the tender, but it's a little one, and I've got it rigged up and into the piping of the axle pump. So I thought I'd shoot a little video here. I'm going to go back there and crank it, so you're going to hear a lot of funny noises, and maybe we'll see some water coming out of here. We'll see in a second. So that's what's going on.